Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nicole and you're watching Nick Ink Artistry, and today I definitely have a different type of video. So if you couldn't tell by the title of this video, this will be all about my best friend's bachelorette party. I have never been a maid of honor, I have never even been in a wedding, but I've definitely been to my fair share, and I don't know what it is, I love weddings. I think it's just because I love. But of course, before the big day, there are a couple smaller big days leading up to that. And of course, the bachelorette party is at the top of that list. So I'm planning on making it really special and really fun. And I just thought that I would share with all of you guys, for anyone else either looking for advice or ideas. Now I am filming this part before the bachelorette weekend. I'm actually T-minus 2 days right now until then. So I do have a lot of prep work to get moving on, but if you want to see all the details from decorations, party favors, to a couple little DIYs, keep on watching. So when I started researching for bachelorette parties, I realized that a lot of parties usually have little themes, or at least kind of like a color scheme, which is probably a good idea. So I went with a little bit of both, but I knew I just wanted to make it as cute and aesthetically pleasing as possible. So our bachelorette weekend is going to be from Friday to Sunday, so it is going to be a whole weekend full of all kinds of festivities. And I feel like that's a lot more common than just doing a one-day bachelorette party or whatever, but that's just the route that we're going with. And the bride is kind enough to have us all stay with her the whole weekend, which is really nice. And right there, that already cuts a cost of any kind of hotel. That way we could put that money towards something else. For Friday night, we're just going to have a pretty chill dinner. It's going to be Final Fiesta themed. And I'll put a couple pins on the screen that I found that I know I'll be following a little bit when I go to set up, and kind of the overall theme that I want the party to have. So we're going to have a chill taco night. We're going to play some drinking games. And of course, I have all kinds of cute decor. So I'm going to share with you guys a couple pieces that I got. And for the most part, I got everything off of Amazon. So I'll go ahead and link everything down below for you. But Michaela loves cactuses. So that's kind of why I went for the Final Fiesta theme. So instead of being like bright fiesta colors, it's going to be a little bit more toned down. Lots of pinks and maroons, which are her wedding colors. But she loves cactuses, or cacti. Anyway. So naturally, any cacti decorations I found, I definitely picked up. So I got this cute little cacti glitter banner from Amazon. I believe this was under 10 bucks. If not all, most of my decorations were under $10 each. And then I am planning on having some kind of backdrop wall for photos, of course. So I just had this little photo props thing from, I believe, my birthday party last year that I never used. So this has all kinds of cute little signs and little things to hold while you take pictures, which I think is just a really cute idea, because that way it gives you the incentive to take pictures. And I feel like with the bachelorette party, it's such a must to take fun pictures that we can always look back on them and relive that time. And I did get all kinds of balloons as well. I got some cactus balloons. I got some regular ones with confetti, which I'm really excited about those. And I got some cute balloons that spell out Final Fiesta and Taco Bell Love, which I think is perfect because we are having a taco night after all. And of course, some ring balloons and fun things like that. But speaking of rings, I also did get this cute piñata in the shape of a ring. I love this so much. Michaela's favorite candy is Reese's, so I got a couple Reese's cups and stuff to put in here. Now moving on to games, I realized that games are such a huge part about the bachelorette party because they help all the bridesmaids get to know each other if you don't already. And I feel like it just kind of brings your group together and stuff like that. So I found a couple on Pinterest. There are a million games on Pinterest, so I pretty much looked through just about every one of them, but these were just my favorites. I was able to find a bridal bachelorette themed drinking game on Pinterest, but I just made it my own and kind of switched up the little prompts. But let's be real, during a drinking game, the goal is to feel the alcohol, if you know what I mean. And I feel like the number one rule for the bachelorette party is to make sure that the bride has the most fun. So of course, there's a couple more incentives for her to drink on here. Like we have, if you're engaged, drink. If you're a bridesmaid, drink. And then what is a good party without beer pong? Or in this case, champagne pong. Michaela and I actually love beer pong and we're pretty good at it. So hopefully the champagne pong won't be too hard or anything. But it pretty much comes with everything you need. And honestly, I just really wanted the pink ping pong balls. And this was kind of just too perfect to pass up. Hi guys, so I filmed this whole video before the actual party. That way everything was done and I could share with you guys everything before we actually used it for the party. But of course, what would one of my videos be without a technical difficulty? And once again, I lost some footage. But that's okay, I'm gonna go over the last couple items with you guys now. But I believe we left off with games and I was talking about champagne pong. That game was really hard. Disclaimer, not as easy as beer pong with regular solo cups. I'll be real. But we definitely had fun with it. It just took us way longer than normal to finish a round. But we did end up playing one more game, which I wish I had them to show you, but we did play the panty game. And I'll include some Pinterest photos that kind of inspired me to play the game at the party. But basically myself, along with all the girls in the party, I asked them to bring a panty for Michaela, the bride. Basically, she just has to go down the line and guess who she thinks brought each panty. And this game was such a hit. I feel like it would be the perfect game for this group because usually bachelorette parties, they're very, you know, sexual themed. And Michaela's not like that. So I had to come up with some other options, but I felt like this was perfect. It still had that classic bachelorette theme, but definitely sugar-coated a bit. And let me tell you, we were feeling pretty good by the time the panty game came around. So it was definitely a successful, fun game, thank God. Now we're gonna move on to goodie bags, and then we'll get to the final gifts for the bride. But I don't think goodie bags are necessary for the bachelorette party, but I think they are a fun touch if it is in your budget, and if you don't mind spending the extra money to make it a little bit special. And thank God one of the girls couldn't make it to the bachelorette party, so I still have her goodie bag here intact, so I could show you guys. And so each of the goodie bags that I made for the girls, they all had 4 items in them. And I had the idea that the girls would pretty much be using all the things in the goodie bags throughout the weekend. That way nothing would be going to waste, or, you know, it would be cute, but they would just throw away later on, that kind of stuff. So we'll start with the bigger and the main 2 items. And mainly we had these in mind for our Saturday adventure, which was a wine tour. We had so much fun, literally. So fun. Go on a wine tour. Highly recommend. But Michaela fell in love with these cute little wine t-shirt sayings. I mean, they're literally so cute. This one is one of the girls, like I said. So this says, when I sip, you sip, we sip. And mine said, stop and smell the rosé, which I love. And Michaela's the bride. Of course, hers was white. And Michaela said, pour the wine, his last name is mine. Love that so much. We all had super cute sayings, and I ordered them off of Etsy, so of course I'll have that shop listed down below. These t-shirts that you custom make, because you can pick the color and size of the t-shirt, and obviously the color of the font and the different sayings for each t-shirt. My shirts came within 3 days of me ordering, which was amazing because I had plenty of time, but they just came like that, which I really appreciate. So I definitely recommend if you're looking for t-shirts. Check that link down below. But of course we all wore the matching t-shirts to the wineries on Saturday, and it was amazing. Obviously you could tell we were a bachelorette party, which I don't mind. I feel like that's part of the fun, to like have other people notice and be like, oh my gosh, how cute, you know, congratulations, all that stuff. But along with the t-shirts, I also got these cute little fanny packs for everyone. And I wasn't sure if the girls were gonna like them. Like, I was kind of nervous that they were gonna be like, oh, it's like a lame fanny pack, oh. But the girls actually loved them. It was a huge hit, so I'm so glad. For the winery tour, because hand-free drinking, I am in. So all of the girls obviously got a little rose gold fanny with the word tribe on them. And of course the bride did get a white one with the word bride on it. So we're all matching, and obviously the bride stuck out, and it was perfect. And once again, such a good little hit. And I believe they came in a pack of like 8 or 9 fanny packs, including with the bride one, for like $25. So can you even beat that? That is amazing. Now getting on into the little more cute favors, but definitely you can use them so they won't go to waste. So first we have here this cute little cactus shot glass. I'm just laughing because these definitely came in handy. That's all I will say. But I believe I got this in like a pack of 12 from Amazon. Of course, that'll all be linked down below. But they're just little plastic ones, but they're honestly really durable. Like, it's thick plastic, and it's a very large shot glass. So you'll definitely make some memories. I mean, they're just so cute, honestly. Even if we didn't use them, I just love them so much. And then the last little thing, which I did kind of DIY this. It's just a little hair tie. I got the kind of invisible ones because they're so amazing for your hair. I rave about them, and all the girls were like, wow, I've never tried them before. And I was like, girl, put this in your hair right now. But I saw the idea on Pinterest, of course, for doing hair ties in your gift bags because we're all girls. Someone's bound to forget a hair tie and maybe need it later in the night. But I just cut out a little diamond kind of gift tag and just put it around it. Cut out a little M for Michaela, obviously our bride. And then on the back, I just wrote Michaela's bachelorette party. So of course, you know, they'll throw the little tag away, but they'll always have that little hair tie. They are amazing. I literally have 3 more next to me because I just love them. And so I don't have the bride's gift bag that I gave her, but obviously she got everything that I showed you, but also a couple more goodies. So I got her these cute little cactus socks. And then I did get her this really cute wet brush that says Mrs. on it. I love this brush so much. And the last little thing that I did want to share, but really quick, Michaela, if you're watching, stop here. This is a spoiler. Do not spoil this. This is something really cute for your wedding day. But I saw this on Pinterest a million times and I was like, oh my gosh, we need to do that for Michaela. So I meant to do this while we were at the bachelorette party, but I think we got a little carried away. You know, you get caught up in the moment and it's a little hard to do things at the party with your bride there, if you know what I mean. But I did tell all the girls to bring a lipstick and basically you just kiss the miss goodbye. I love this idea. So you basically just have everyone bring a lipstick and just kiss the frame and sign it, and then you're supposed to put a picture of you all in there. And it's great because now I have a picture of us all, so I can just put that in there. We can all do this before the wedding and then give it to her as a little wedding gift. So I literally love this. I cannot wait to do this for Michaela. It is gonna look so freaking cute and I can't wait for her to see this. Alright guys, and that is pretty much all the things that I want to share with you guys today. So thank you guys so much for watching as always. And if you guys want to see any other kind of wedding videos, let me know. I know Michaela the bride has already said that she would do a bridal makeup kind of style video with me. So let me know if you want to see that or any kind of video suggestions at all. I would love to hear them. And of course, if you're looking for any more kind of bridal inspiration, go to my Pinterest. I'll have it linked down below. I pin literally a million things each week, not only in the wedding category, but in makeup, hair, DIYs, all that kind of stuff. But thank you guys again so much for watching. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe down to my channel. It would mean the world to me. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.